today, meron tayong i-unbox, and I've always been a fan of this brand even when I was still in college nung nagsimula ang mga prepaid SIM cards. Welcome back to TOT, where we talk all tea and a little bit of shade on tech, trends, travel, and taste. We will unbox the cheapest Nokia smartphone in the Philippine market today. And this phone is the Nokia C1 smartphone. And I got the one that is red color from Shopee. 6/6 sale for 2,599, although ang list price nito is 2,990. I checked the price before the shoot for this unboxing and it's already 2,490. So with all the vouchers and the discount, most likely I could get this for only 2,000 pesos. Okay. And what's good about this from the Nokia online store is meron siyang libreng alcohol sprayer bottle and meron siyang libreng smart 5G SIM card. And the reason why I love the Nokia brand is because it's using the Android operating system. So, among all of those Android phones, ito yung pinaka-gusto ko eh. There are two types of Nokia smartphone. Siyempre, yung mga higher end uses the Android one. Kaya, you are assured of 3 years worth of updates. And yung mga C-series nila is actually using the Android Go edition. So, for this particular phone, it's still using the Android 9 Pie Go edition. So, pang number 12 na this year, ang Android version. So, I think it's already almost at the end of its life cycle. But nonetheless, kinuha ko pa rin siya primarily because I like its red color. Okay, let's unbox. So, I have my trusty cutter. Wala siyang plastic, so hindi ko na kailangan problemahin yan. But it has tapes all over. And madali siyang i-unbox kasi i-slide mo lang siya. Ganyan. So, yun. So, here's the phone. Tabi muna natin yan. Inside the box, okay. Yeah, you have the USB plug and the charger cable, which is basically the micro USB. And you get the getting started card. Okay, you have this one. So this is also dual SIM. And also the product safety information sheets are also inside the box. And the last one is social battery. Yes. That's a chocolate. Yeah. And here's the phone. Ang ganda niya, no? At saka plastic na plastic ang datingan. Yung Go edition kasi, it's supposed to run even at very low RAM and ROM. And it's supposed to function as a phone, as a smartphone. So in front, you get the whole screen, but I think this is not purely screen kasi meron pa siyang forehead and chin. Later, i-on natin siya. You have the Nokia branding. And ano itong nasa harap? Feeling ko ano to eh. Alam niyo yung proximity sensor, the speaker, and also the face front. And also the camera. And also the front camera. And at the sides, you get this button, which I think the Google Assistant button. And you got a power button, the volume rocker, and social, meron siyang 3.5mm headset. But, I realized hindi siya kasama sa package. Wala siyang headset. And at the back, you have, again, the Nokia branding. The camera, syempre isa lang yung camera niya. A flash. Social, may flash. And I think this is the speaker grill. To open the back, meron siyang small something here where you can put your nail on and then use your nail to pry it open. Okay? So, let me open it now. Sana hindi ko matanggal yung screen, diba? Ayan, open agad. Inside, you have the HMD Global, which is the company that took over the brand and started marketing it as an Android smartphone. Ayan, HMD Global. Alam niyo naman, very masalimuot ang storya ng Nokia from a very big company when the iPhone launched. Dead. Tapos, Microsoft tried resurrecting the brand by putting its Windows OS into the phone. But it failed, unfortunately. So somebody resurrected it and put it as an Android phone, which by the way, I love that. Dual SIM to, so you get to put the SIM card one here and then here. And then of course, may micro SD card din siya. So siya, diba? Anyway, so let's put it here. How cute, diba? The battery is 2,500 milliamperes, so sandali lang to dead na to. Pero mga kalahating araw. Hintayin natin. Gusto ko yung tin. Nokia. Connecting people. Okay, let's see. Mabuhay and welcome to the Philippines. Oh, ayan. Okay, let's set it up. So yeah, if you can see the phone, look, meron siyang forehead, meron siyang chin. The other thing about Nokia is, actually, sobrang dami nilang smartphone and they have different series. At least here in the Philippines, they have the series 1, 2, 3, and 5. They used to have 6, 7, 8, and 9, but yung mga latest launches nila were all centered sa 1, 2, 3, and 5. All these different series is already on the 4th version. So, ginawa nila 5.4, 3.4, 2.4, and 1.4. All of them are under the Android One program. Okay, copy apps and data. Sige. Next. Backup from Android phone. Backup from the cloud. Okay. So, sige. Let me set it up using my Google account. Getting the account info now. Just a sec. Sabi niya, meet your Google Assistant. Yeah, it has a dedicated button for the Google Assistant. Okay, so tama nga. The assistant is here. Finish for now. Starting the finishing touches. This may take a few minutes. Okay. Oh! Social! Meron siyang face unlock. So let's do it. I will set up now the face unlock. Nag-tilt lang ako. Check! Oh, go! Social! How cute. You know what I see in this phone? Feeling ko, this is perfect for children who are on online classes and they really don't need a lot of power in their phone. So, kung gusto niyo ng Zoom, Viber, social media apps, and email, I think that's good enough. And I also think that this is okay if you have a lot of staff and you want to equip them with smartphones, so it's a lot easier to get in touch with them. Very nice phone, I would say. But definitely this one is scratch magnet, the back, and even the front. All the Google apps are in Go. The photos, the Google app, Gmail, they're all in Go. Social. In fairness, maganda yung screen niya. No? thank you for joining me in the unboxing video of the Nokia C1 smartphone. And this is the cheapest Nokia smartphone that you can buy in the Philippines today. I hope to see you on the next clip. Please subscribe to my channel. So please subscribe. Bye!